Hello Mzansi, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, and Ncwane is reportedly leaving the successful Real Housewives of Durban show and will not be part of season 2, which has apparently started filming. So this is apparently because the show is tainting her late husband's image, Usfiso Ncwane. So according to Sunday World, Ayanda Ncwane has decided to leave the show because it is disrespecting her brand, her husband's legacy, and tainting her image. Judging from the finale where all the ladies were gathered at the show, I would understand why Ayanda Ncwane has decided to pull out from the show, especially because Nonku Williams is in that show. For those of you who don't know, Nonku Williams is a businesswoman who owns a wine company who also happens to have a child with Sfiso Ncwane, which is Ayanda Ncwane's late husband. With how the show ended with the first season, it is not surprising that Ayanda has decided to leave, the show. The show was damaging to her brand, to her, husband's image, because we have always known Sfiso Ncwane as this loving, kind and supportive husband. Now to find out that he has a child whom he did not acknowledge when he was alive, and judging from what Nonku Williams she is saying that it was because of Ayanda that Sfiso never had a relationship with their daughter. When asked about this, Ayanda said that she felt like the show did not respect her husband's legacy, which is something that she has been trying to preserve. She also said that she carries the show. They are going to have to find somebody, with strong personality, with a strong following to, fill in the gap of Ayanda Ncwane. So Ayanda also refused to play the producer's game of portraying a wretched way. In other way, what this means, you guys, is that the producers of the show initially wanted Ayanda to beef with Nonku. Like that was the original plan, to boost the ratings of the show, which is normal when it comes to reality TV shows. As much as they're reality, they are also scripted. Like producers will create a storyline or will try and make cast members fight with one another. So they wanted Ayanda to fight with Nonku and present herself as this jealous wife who is the only person which mattered in Sfiso Ncwane. Like they wanted them to basically fight and hate each other, and when that did not happen, they said that Ayanda has a choice. It either she follows the script or else she leaves the show, which of course she has decided to leave the show because that is not who she is. She's not gonna lower her standards and lower her values as a woman just for production rates and for views. She is who she is, and I totally respect that from Ayanda. And judging from how the show ended with the final season with Nonku, I'm guessing Nonku, maybe she did agree to the producer's script of fighting with Ayanda, because when the last episode aired, which was the finale where all the ladies were gathered together, Nonku did come off as, she did seem rude towards Ayanda. In some way, she would, fold her arms and look her in a smirky way, and just, even when Ayanda was crying, she did not even show any sympathy in her eyes. She seemed like like a bad bitch, basically. Like she was being mean towards Ayanda. Even when Ayanda was being emotional and crying and being vulnerable, she still stood there and just put on smirky smile. And even at some point, even her mother was also not sensitive towards Ayanda. So I do understand why she would not consider coming back. Personally, I think that this is a good move from her. I did, however, liked her in the show. I thought she was funny. She brought that vavavoom of the show. I was mostly excited to see her and what is going on in her life. When I watched the show, she was the most interesting person to see. Besides Umacongo, I liked her and Ulacongo. I thought they were, the two pillars of that show, and that show was alive because of them. I am interested to know, however, who are they gonna replace her with? Like there are a lot of successful Durban housewives out there who they are currently looking for to replace Ayanda. And yeah, you guys comment down below if you are excited to see the new season of Real Housewives of Durban, and also who do you guys think is gonna replace Ayanda Ngwane, because they also lost Khumuzo. Remember, Khumuzo pulled out at the very last minute before the finale show, saying that she is no longer shooting the Real Housewives of Durban, saying that she is no longer coming back to the show. So they do have to find someone because they have lost two cast members. And I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.